Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lakshmi and I make content on travel, lifestyle, fashion, beauty and much more. If you're new here, please do support my YouTube journey by hitting the subscribe button and turn it into grey. Yay! So in this video, I'm back with another adventure. What's that adventure? I ordered from Smytten again. This is my second order from Smytten. So if you haven't seen the first video, I'll leave a link in the I button here somewhere. You can go and check that out. The app called Smytten. So if you don't know what's Smytten, you can use the trial products. The moment you sign in into the app, you get 6 trial points and you can use it to buy products. So you have to pay 200 rupees for whatever you buy from the trial section. There are products which will be for 6 trial points itself. In that case, you will get only one product and then you have to pay 200 rupees. But if you want to buy more products, try more products, you can buy products for 1 trial point each. So that way you'll have 6 trial points, and first order you get a free gift as well. So second order, so the first time's 200 rupees gets credited back into the account, which you can use it in the shop section, a separate section that they have. So you get another 6 trial points added. But you cannot order what you ordered last time. You have to order new products. So that's about the app. So without any much more intro, let's get into the video. I got this box. Let's unbox it. So this is the Smytten box. Box number 2 for me. So what's in the box? Let's check in this video. So as I could not order whatever I ordered last time, so I have to order new set of things. So in this box as well, there are some Plum products. Plum is a beauty brand which I liked a lot. Their products are really good and I continued to buy from Plum. And there are some more products as well. 6 products in this, one each trial point. Total 6 trial points. This entire thing costed only 200 rupees. I don't have to return it to them. Also, let's not forget, this video is not sponsored by them. Let's check them out each one by one. First, let's begin with my favorite Plum itself. This is Plum Body Loving Body Oil Vanilla Vibes. This is a body oil. So if you remember in the last video, I bought the same flavor, same thing, but it was a body butter, body cream it was. This is a body oil. This is the quantity you get. Do not expect big quantities. These are trial products. इतने ही size में मिलेंगे. So this smells very good. Yeah, you have to open this. This is a sealer. Wow, man. This smells so good. Fragrance is always amazing. This is in vanilla. You'll feel like you're eating vanilla ice cream. This is really good. 1 trial point. This much of product for 1 trial point. Amazing, man. Let's go to the second product. This is also from Plum. This is Plum Body Loving Deodorizing Pit Cream in the flavor in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. So it's a pit cream. So this is small product. This is a small product. You can see what is a pit cream. This pit cream it is. So you can apply it on your pit and it will, the smell is really good. This is Hawaiian Rumba variant. Okay, so it's very soft. You have to apply this on your pit, so you don't have to use any deodorant there. So this will take this is not long lasting, won't last for an entire day and all of those things, but it will last for about 3-4 hours. I have applied it. I liked it. So again, for 1 trial point. Third one is this. You can see this. This is a shower gel. This is from the brand The Love Company, The Love Co. Organic Luxury Illusion Bath and Shower Gel. This is a shower gel. So it's basically a soap, liquid soap, I can say. Very refreshing. Feels like some fruity smell. And is pretty thick in consistency. Pretty good amount you have got for this one. So this was again for 1 trial point, like crazy, right? 1 trial point, this big product. The fourth product I have is for again one trial point. This is like a famous brand you might have heard everywhere, Mama Earth. So this is Mama Earth. Ulta dikha diya, nahi, theek dikha. This is Mama Earth. This is Upton face mask. So you apply it on the face, leave it for a while and then wash it off and then apply moisturizer. So this is basically to cleanse your face. This is a face mask. So this is a trial version again for one trial point. So the MRP says it costs 99 rupees, but you get it for one trial point, and the entire 6 products I had to pay only 200 rupees. Good one. Next one I have is a nail polish. So this is peach color, this big nail polish you can see. So this is for one trial point again. So it's shade A2, it says 6 ml Makeup Mania HD. So this is the nail paint for one trial point again. So this is pretty good quantity for one trial point. I mean, amazing, right? So this big is the product. This big, okay, if you want a reference, this big is the product. Next is the 6th product for one trial point again. This is from Plum. So this big is the product. This is Plum, and this is Plum E-Luminescence Deep Moisturizing Cream. It's a moisturizing cream, so I can use that Mama Earth's face mask and then apply this moisturizing cream on the face. So this one is 24 hours hydration. It says this is a moisturizing cream. It's sealed this way. So if I open the seal, I haven't used this. Okay, let's apply this on the skin and check it. Again, absorbed very quickly, feels very good. Has a good smell also, so it's very good. You can go for this again for one trial point. So 6 products, one trial point each, total 6 trial points. All I have to pay is 200 rupees for shipping. 6 trial products, what more can I ask for? So amazing, right? Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer all of those in the comment section. Also, if you don't find the products in good condition, you can write back to them and they will replace it for you. So the moment you order, you'll be getting the status in the app itself. So there you can track your order and all of those things. So nothing to worry, it's a safe app. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, then you should like the video, hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe and support your girl Lakshmi. Till then, take care. Bye. 6 trial products.